Hello, I'm Daniel and welcome to this edition of Hot Performers. In today's show, we'll be throwing some light on ASX listed Ramsay Health Care. The company has received a takeover offer from a consortium led by United States top private equity group KKR. We'll also be looking at how Ramsay shares are performing since the announcement. On Wednesday, Ramsay Health Care confirmed receiving a takeover offer from a consortium led by private equity group KKR. KKR is a leading global investment firm that offers alternative asset management, capital markets, and insurance solutions. The consortium has offered a bid of $88 per share, a premium of 36.7%. Ramsay's stock closed at $64.39 on Tuesday, and the company was valued at $14.8 billion as of Tuesday's closing price. Its share price surged nearly 30% from the previous day's close following the release. In the early morning trading hours, the stock was up 27.35% at $82. The stock is up nearly 15% on a year-to-date basis. In the past year, Ramsay Health Care stock has gained over 23%. The 52-week high of the stock stands at $83.55 and the low at $59.66. In the past month, the stock was up over 30%. Ramsay Health Care owns over 230 hospitals, treatment facilities, psychiatric and rehabilitation units, day surgery centres and a nursing college across 5 countries: Australia, France, the United Kingdom, Italy, Indonesia and Malaysia. Coming back to today's announcement, Ramsay said it has received a conditional non-binding indicative proposal from a consortium of investors led by KKR to acquire 100% of the company. The company said in its latest ASX filing that Ramsay shareholders would be entitled to receive $88 per share cash, less ordinary or special dividends paid to shareholders after the date of the indicative proposal, including the ordinary dividend of 48 cents per share paid on 31st of March 2022. According to the release, the shareholders would have an option to receive part of the consideration in a utilised scrip in the consortium holding entity. In case of the scheme of arrangement gets implemented, Ramsay would be permitted to pay a fully franked special dividend to distribute all available franking credits to shareholders. However, Ramsay's board also cautioned the discussions between the participants and are preliminary with no guarantee of a deal. And before we wrap up, let's look at Ramsay's half-year results. The COVID-19 pandemic severely impacted the firm's earnings in the half-year ending in 31st December 2021. This resulted in profit before tax declining 1.3% compared to the previous corresponding period, while statutory profit declined 29.7%. As per the company, the total impact of the COVID-19 pandemic was pegged at $107 million. The company acquired mental health care provider Elysium in January 2022. Well, that's all for now from this edition of the Hot Performers. Meanwhile, keep watching Kalkine TV for the latest market and business news updates. This is Daniel for Kalkine TV.